Hey everyone, my name is Donna Louie, and I'm one of the field engineer at Coherent. Today, I want to make a small video about how I use Spark and GPT integrations to help with my internal task at Coherent. A part of my task at Coherent is to answer questionnaires. We always have to gather informations and respond to various questionnaires that we receive. So, in order to help me save time to answer all these questions, I've created a service on Coherent Spark, which contains all information on our platform inside an Excel. Just to give you an idea of what I did here, I've gathered all the information that I have into an Excel, and I've properly marked up according to the coherent structure. I've then uploaded onto Spark. And essentially what I did was created an API that contained all the information about our platform. So what I've done next was on the Spark platform, we have the integration tab on top. And within the integration tab, we have a section called the code snippet. Now, on the code snippet, we have a snippet for the OpenAI actions. So then the next step was to integrate the two together with GPT and Coherent Spark. Once you have the snippet, you can essentially go to your GPT account and create your own GPT. Within the GPT that you created, you can go ahead and select available actions. So you can basically copy and paste the schema that was generated by Spark. Now you will have connectivity from your own GPT into Coherent Spark via API. We can test this out by flipping over to the Coherent RFP bot. That's what I call mine, and ask questions just as we would on any regular GPT. Now, what's going to happen is that when you type in the questions, it's going to send out an API call into Spark. GPT is smart enough to figure out what information you're asking and return those information accordingly. So whenever I get additional questionnaires, I can just go ahead and basically ask the questions and have it return result for me. You can also instruct the GPT actions to limit to only data set you're provided, which in our case, we're saying, please only access the API and return the information back from there. Just want to share how Spark APIs and GPT had helped us improve our productivity at Coherent. Thank you and see you next time.